Hello dear students, how are you? Fine. Yesterday in the last class, we have discussed about the assumptions which are to be made in gradually varied flow. All of us are aware, whenever we are required to derive some formulae, assumptions are required, assumptions are to be made, otherwise it is not quite feasible to get the derivations. So we have seen all bottom slope of the channel should be very small and channel is prismatic. The pressure distribution at any section is assumed to be hydrostatic. The energy correction factor is unity and steady, and therefore discharge Q is equal to constant at each and every sections. The roughness coefficient or rugosity coefficient. What is the symbol? Yes? हाँ मालूम है, लड़के को मालूम है. Small n or capital N, which is independent from depth of flow and it is constant. Along the channel length, we know we have derived Manning's equation and Chedji's equation. What for it is used? In order to find out velocity of flow in the channel. Once the velocity by making use of Manning's formula or Chedji's formula is found out, it will become quite easy to find out total discharge in the open channel. Normally these discharge in the open channel will be utilized for agriculture purpose. Whenever farmers need water, we are required to divert the water through open channel. Okay, we will continue. Just we have refreshed whatever we have studied in the last class. Today, based on these assumptions, how gradually varied flow equation can be derived, we will see today. All of you can see this figure? Very nicely written. I have not written this. Who has done this? Mr. Taji sir. He is helping me. वो सर मुझे मदद करता है. मैं फिगर लिख के देता हूँ, वो इनकॉर्पोरेट करता है कंप्यूटर में. माला इतना मालूम नहीं कंप्यूटर, इसीलिए उन्होंने करके देता है. ओके. Dynamic equation of GVF, that is also popularly known as differential equation. Considering a short reach, very small length of channel having gradually varied flow as shown in figure. This is the datum line. It is very clearly seen, datum line. This is the bed of the channel. What is this? Yes, water line. What is the dotted line shows? Slope of energy line. The energy equation we know at any section may be written as E is equal to Z plus Y plus V squared by 2G. Let us call that equation as 1. Now, water surface is going to vary in horizontal direction, as you can see here. Depth Y, if you consider depth at this section, it is different. At this section, if you consider, it is different. So therefore, in x-axis due to GVF, Y and E are going to vary in x direction. So energy and as well as depth. When depth varies, energy also varies. That also we have already studied in the previous unit. Okay? Now here theta, that is the bed slope, is very, very small, that is assumed, so that the derivation is easier. Next slide. Dynamic equation, this differential equation with respect to x, dE by dx is equal to dz by dx plus dy by dx plus d by dx of v squared by 2g. We know v squared is equal to q squared by a squared. Put it in that equation. Therefore, dE by dx is equal to dz by dx plus dy by dx plus q squared by 2g d by dx of 1 upon a squared. Now, by dx of 1 upon a squared is equal to, we can write it as minus 2 by a cube dA by dx. Therefore, equation 1 becomes like this. dE by dx is equal to dz by dx plus dy by dx minus 2q squared by 2ga cube dA by dx. These two get cancelled away. Therefore, dynamic equation can be written as dE by dx. What does that represent? It represents the energy slope. Denoting it by SF, we have dE by dx is equal to minus SF. What is the significance of negative sign? We will see a little bit later. Second component part, in the above equation 2, we can write dz by dx. What does that denote? It denotes the bottom slope. It is common to consider the channel slope with bed elevations decreasing in the downstream direction. Denoting it as S naught, we can write dz bar divided by dx is equal to minus S naught. Last one, dy by dx represents the change in water surface elevation in x direction, or it also represents slope of water surface with respect to bottom of the channel. Negative sign of SF, S naught indicates that both are decreasing as x is increasing. Can you understand? In x direction, when distance increases in the open channel, naturally the magnitude of SF and as well as S naught decreases, means inversely proportional. As the distance increases, these magnitudes will decrease. How we will represent the decrease? कमी हम कशाला बघायचा? With negative sign. Okay? Next. Are you following me? कळला का आतापर्यंत? Okay, fine. Now, equation 2 can be rewritten as minus SF is equal to minus S naught plus dy by dx minus q squared divided by ga cube dA by dx, which can also be written as, suppose if I take S naught onto the left hand side, then that will become positive. Therefore, S naught minus SF is equal to dy by dx minus q square divided by ga cube multiplied by dA by dx. Now further if you simplify this, S naught minus SF is equal to dy by dx whole multiplied by 1 minus q squared ga cube multiplied by dA by dy. How? This dA by dx we know, and it can be rewritten as dA by dy multiplied by dy by dx. Since dy by dx in both the component become common, that can be taken as common factor. What is the value of dA by dy? It is nothing but when you differentiate depth, when you differentiate area with respect to depth, what is the meaning? It means top width of the channel. Therefore, we can rewrite it as dy by dx is equal to S naught minus SF divided by 1 minus q square t divided by ga cube. This is the fundamental dynamic equation of gradually varied flow, also known as differential equation. Why we call it as differential equation? Because the magnitude of this is in the form of differentiation. That's why it is also called as differential equation. Is it clear? or should I repeat? Repeat करायचा का? नाही. बरोबर. कळला तुम्हाला. Okay. We will continue. Now this dynamic equation further can be rewritten as q square t divided by ga cube is equal to q squared multiplied by t divided by a squared multiplied by a into g. You split up this a cube into a squared multiplied by a. Therefore, further we can write it as v squared multiplied by 1 upon a upon t multiplied by 1 upon g. What is g? It is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity? Everybody know. Everybody know. Yes, yes. 9.81 meters per second squared. Therefore, we can rewritten as v squared by gd, that is equal to fr squared. Why fr squared? What is fr squared? Froday's number. Froday's number is nothing but the ratio of velocity squared divided by acceleration due to gravity multiplied by d. Now, previous equation of GVF dy by dx is equal to s naught minus sf divided by 1 minus q square t divided by ga cube can be rewritten as again dy by dx is equal to s naught minus sf divided by 1 minus fr squared. This is also GVF equation in terms of Froday's number. Froday's, F-R-O-U-D-E'(S). Froday's number. Okay? Next. There are other forms also. This can be rewritten in the other form also. We will see a little bit later. First of all, we will conclude based on the above equation that 1. When dy by dx is equal to 0, what do you mean by that? Y is equal to constant and water surface elevation will be parallel to the bottom of the channel and therefore flow is said to be uniform. When we say uniform flow, when depth of flow in the open channel Y is constant means dy by dx must be equal to shunya, 0. Second, suppose dy by dx is greater than 0, then what do you mean? It is positive, which indicates that the water surface elevation increases in the direction of flow, depth of flow increases in x direction, and water profile is known as backwater surface. Remember, याद रखना चाहिए हमेशा, when dy by dx is equal to 0 means it is positive, means it is increasing in the flow direction. That is also known as backwater curve. Last, third one. What is the probability? What is the probability? Anyone? Yes, yes. dy by dx is less than 0. What do you mean by less than 0? Negative. Which indicates that water surface elevation decreases in the direction of motion. जब पॉजिटिव रहता है इंक्रीज होता है, जब नेगेटिव होता है तब डिक्रीज होता है. Depth of flow decreases in x direction and water profile is known as drop down curve. In first case it is backwater curve. In the second case it is known as drop down curve. Is it clear? That's all we can conclude from the above. Dynamic equation or differential equation for gradually varied flow. Now, dynamic equation of GVF further can be rewritten. There are 3 figures. All of you can see? Yes, all of you can see. You can see here some term known as a flux, backwater curve, a flux, right? Here Here the energy line is parallel to the water surface, and water surface in fact parallel to the bed of the channel. When dy by dx is equal to 0, when dy by dx is greater than 0, that is positive. And third case, when dy by dx is less than 0, negative. That is drop down curve. Okay? Further. Ho gaya. Today we will stop here. We will continue in the next class. All of you know all these references. K. Subramanya, Gradually Varied Flows, Tata McGraw-Hill Publishing Company Limited. Second book, P. N. Modi and Seth, very standard textbooks. I have been saying since beginning of the semester. R. K. Rajput, R. K. Bansal. These two books, not only for theory, even good numerical problems you can solve. Okay? Bye. Have a good day. We will continue in the next class. Okay, students? Yes. Good evening. झाला एक क्लास. किती मिनिट झाला? 14:03, 17 मिनट. एक क्लास झाला. इसको भी YouTube को डालना पड़ेगा. डाल. फिर मैं कैसा झाला क्लास?